Volvo Car Accident Advisor is a smartphone app that helps you in the event of a car accident. Your connected Volvo vehicle automatically notifies Volvo when you're in an accident. After confirming that everyone's okay, a Volvo on-call representative sends a link to the Accident Advisor app to your smartphone. Accident Advisor guides you to capture the accident facts and photos, so with the click of a button, you can submit essential information to your insurer. You can also find and choose the nearest body shop or service station for your Volvo to get your car towed right away and to get a fast start on repairs. Volvo Car Accident Advisor is the next evolution of safety in a connected, technology-enabled world. Volvo Cars' priority has and always will be safety, helping to keep you safe before, during, and after an accident.